Okay, so this video is to help with powers and exponents. So if we have a product of identical factors, can be written as an exponent and a base. So my factors here are identical, and that can be written, we can write it as an exponent. Okay? So the base number is the number used as a factor. So what number is being used as the factor? Identical factor here is the number 5. So that would become my base number. And then the exponent goes in the upper right-hand corner of the number. It's smaller and it's in the upper right-hand corner. And it tells me how many times 5 is multiplied by itself. So 5 is multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, those identical factors can be written as 5 to the 4th power. Okay? We can also unpack each. An exponent, so if I have 4 to the 2nd power, what does 4 to the 2nd power mean? That would be 4 times 4, and then 4 times 4 would be 16. We could have, let's say, 2 to the 5th power, which would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 is my base, it's my factor, and it's telling me I am multiplying by 2 5 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And the value of this would be, well, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32. Okay? And we can also apply this information when we are factoring. So let's say we are factoring a number like, let's go 36. Okay? We could break 36 into two factors. The most common ones we come up with is 6 and 6. Still two even numbers, so I can factor those. So this would factor into 2 and 3. This would factor into 2 and 3. And I know that 2's a prime, 3's a prime, 2's a prime, 3's a prime. So this would be 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. But what do I know? Notice, well, I have identical factors here. So my base would be 2, and I have it twice. So that would be my exponent. I have 3's here, they're identical. That would be my base. I have them twice, so my exponent would be 2. So when it says to write it do prime factorization and use exponents, this is what it means. Hopefully that's helped. We'll do some more practice, and we'll have a quiz on this stuff coming up on Wednesday. So hopefully we'll get everybody being able to do up to this by Wednesday. Have a great weekend.